Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create send estimate reminder in QuickBooks Online so you can get reminders for sending estimate to customers on time. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the admin dashboard you can go to your workflow automation here in the top right corner. If you cannot find any, you can just go to your search box and search workflow and you will find workflow automation. Click on it and you will see a lot of templates here, but we're gonna create custom workflow. You can click this green icon, green button, and then you can choose to estimate, obviously, and you can choose reminder. Then click next. And then this is the workflow. So estimate is created or edited and the workflow it will be automatically on. And then estimate status is not adapted or estimate send status is sent. You can set it up. So when this happen, when estimate status is not accepted or estimate send status is sent. It's up to you. You can set it up and you will get a reminder via, you can set it up, obviously, via email to customer, to your team. You can also choose the notification. It's up to you and click save. And then you can just turn it on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.